Hello, this is Pavel Ryzhov. I'm an application scientist with applied photophysics. In this video, I will demonstrate how to adjust the drive volume for SX20 Stopped Flow Spectrometer in a single mixing mode. This is a useful procedure for minimizing sample consumption, but ensuring the instrument is driving the optimal volume for reproducible results and shortest dead time. Here is our instrument in a single mixing configuration. It is using pneumatically driven ramp to perform experiments, providing around 1 millisecond dead times and excellent reproducibility. This standard drive RAM is great for performing multiple repeat experiments. However, it cannot provide us with the information about the drive volume. Instead, we're going to replace it with this flush drive RAM. On newer single mixing and all sequential mixing instruments, this can be found in the toolkit that comes with your instrument. If you misplace this RAM, or you have a single mixing instrument that predates this RAM being provided, please get in touch with our customer support team if you would like to add or restore this functionality. This RAM enables the instrument to relay information about drive volume, velocity, and dead time to the software when we perform experiments. Fitting is simple. After unscrewing the drive RAM and mounting the replacement, we reload the drive syringes with water and click the drive button. This button performs a standard cycle of operations, starting with empty cycle and then performing the drive itself. Upon completion, the profile button becomes available, and when we click on it, we can examine the drive to volume value, which in this case is 126 microliters. The standard volume for single mixing is about 120 microliters, but if you want to increase it, for example, you can simply turn the drive volume adjuster underneath the stop syringe mechanism clockwise. When we click drive again, we can examine the new drive to volume value, and it is now 130 microliters. Typically, a full turn of the volume adjuster corresponds to about 30 to 40 microliters in a 2.5 milliliter stop syringe. After adjusting, replace calibration RAM with a standard drive RAM and perform your experiments as normal. Thank you for your attention. We hope this brief tutorial was helpful. Please visit our website photophysics.com to learn more about SX20 Stopped Flow Spectrometer as well as other products and services, and get in touch with our customer support team should you need any further assistance. Thank you.